Linum sulcatum is considered like vulnerable species in Manitoba. It is very common in the eastern part of North America, but in center part here in Manitoba and Saskatchewan it's very rare. Here it is nearby Birds Hill Provincial Park. This year it was firstly observed actually by one iNet user in the 21st of August, and mine observation is from 24th of August. But okay, it is actually the same, it is just nearby each other. The spots from the sandy places, quite far from the nearest localities of the species.